Hey, it's Randy hiding behind this box. We have YOUKAIN 52-inch indoor-outdoor ceiling fan. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's open this thing up and take a look and see what we got. So we got a set of instructions to come with this. I was hoping for those. Here's the motor and plenty of wire there. That's a good thing. We've got 3 individual fan blades, and the cool thing about these blades is they're notched in a certain way that you can only mount them the correct way. Comes with 2 down rods here, a 10-inch down rod if you want to use it, or a 4-inch down rod. And what I like about this design is I think I should be able to assemble all this on the desk for the most part. And we're gonna hang the bracket up, connect the down rod to the actual motor and everything, and you pick the whole fan up and just set it in there. It just sits in there. So that's a cool feature. So we can basically assemble the whole fan, put the mount up, and just pick the fan up, set it in there, and then finish our wiring and complete everything. So that's a cool feature there. This comes with a remote control and actually a remote control mount. So you can mount this to your wall or bedside table if you like. It's like this runs on 2 AAAs. The remote features different things. It's got a timer on there. You can turn the light off and on. You can reverse the direction of the blade. And there are instructions that come with the remote as well. And this is the receiver for the remote control that we're going to wire in and tuck inside of the housing. We have plenty of hardware they've given us to install it. And these are the screws for the fan blades. They've given us a ceiling canopy, the actual fan housing itself. There's a blade balancing kit that comes with it if you should need it. There's the decorative cover. Here's the light itself and the acrylic cover. And what I like about this is it just screws on and off. So here's the lights that come with it. And here's the cover for it. So this is going to be the last thing we put up. And then we're going to screw this on and we'll be done with our new fan. But that's it. Now let's install this thing.